I've got one of them standing here. Look at the little thing. Oh, it's quite cool. Oh. Right, you're a little monkey now.
Yeah, you're all that close to we were before.
Oh.
She has some. They're having monkeys now.
They're having monkeys.
They're having monkeys.
The other thing is, if you got one of them, I'd take you private. You get back in later. Did you see which ones are the older ones and which ones are little ones?
Oh, we don't have one in your bag. Well, let's stop now. You have the camera and then have the
They're biting each other.
holding them around your neck. Oh, cute.
The little one will jump on one of them and really like it.